Right, today I've got an unboxing of a Hoover Aquajet 5000 model S4514. This machine is pretty much new. It's not completely brand new and I have used it. I got this from an auction for £4. We'll start with the instruction book, which is dated 1995. As you can see, next to come out, the dusting brush, which is slightly distorted, but never mind. Upholstery tool, that's barely seen any use. Crevice tool, bit scratched and scuffed, but again had very little use. Got a wand, which scuffed on the end there, but they all do that, and other than that it really is very clean. Another extension wand, again scuffed on the end there, and that's the extent of the damage. Next we've got the hose, which is missing its connector piece. It's very clean as well. The shampoo, carpet shampoo and hard floor nozzle. Which is also, it's got some scuffs on it, but it's had next to no use, and is again missing its connector piece. In this bag we have the siphon, which has got all of its connector pieces, and the seal is intact. Down here we have the sort of the small shampoo nozzle, which again is missing its connector piece. Then we have the carpet and hard floor tool. There we are, brushes down for hard floors. Up again, carpets, some scuffing on it, but it's sort of stuck on dirt. There we go. And the original plug, which was cut off to sell it, but that's no problem because I can wire a plug. And then we have the shampoo tank with cutout for the cord protector. And last but not least, the cleaner. Which has just a plug fitted and the cable grip thing. Right, here we have the advanced toolkit that comes with the Hoover Aquajet, which includes the two main shampoo nozzles, the carpet and floor tool, the crevice tool, the upholstery tool, the dusting brush, 2 extension wands and the main hose. This is the shampoo tank, as I said before. It fits over the cleaner like that for when you're washing carpets and hard floors. Its main rival would have probably been around this time the Vax Power 4000, and it's in similar colour, and it's got, unlike the Aquamaster, it has a pump, which basically means it gives a more efficient and reliable delivery of the cleaning solution for when you're cleaning carpets and hard floors. So we'll go inside now by undoing the 2 clips and lifting off the motor hood. There you can see the ball floats inside its cage. Cable out the way. There's the cone filter, which has got many warning messages on it that basically say when using the machine for wet cleaning, take that out of it. In there, as you may or may not be able to see, there is a genuine yellow bag. Finding genuine bags for these is very difficult. I've purchased a pack that should be arriving today. No idea when. So it might arrive at any time, just to ruin this video a little bit more. So here is the genuine H15 bag with some dirt in the bottom, not a lot, but yeah. I think the person that bought this used it and then decided it wasn't overly practical, so stopped, and then it never got used again. Never mind though, because I've got it now and it is in fairly nice condition. Not that brilliant, but you know, I've seen worse. So, return the motor hood, lining up the gaps for the clips and pushing in place. Just make sure it won't come off. On the top we have 2 switches. This one controls the pump and this one does the main suction rotor. On the side we've got some Aquajet branding with its 3 main purposes. That be washing carpets and upholstery, cleaning up spills and cleaning up dry debris. And the same on the other side. There's your 2-piece extension wand set. They fit together like so, and the ring twists to lock them in place. Here we have a combination carpet and floor tool with split channels there that go right to the edge. Also got litter pickers for cleaning up pet hair and things. That again fits on the end, twist to lock in place, which it hasn't done because the lock on this wand is slightly poor and goes just over the mark, so that the ring lifts up and then there you go. So that sits down there, and here you have your hose, which a lot like a pneumatic cleaner screws on the front of the machine like so. Because it's got the plastic tube for the solution feed running permanently through the inside of the hose, it does tend to coil up rather easily. So there's your trigger for dispensing cleaning solution. For dry use, simply slots on the end and you twist and it's locked in place. When cleaning wet, however, you remove the floor tool and attach, for example, the shampoo head, like so. Make sure that's locked in place. You then take this blue solution feed, which snaps easily into place. Then you take your hose, which fits like so. Now these two at the moment won't connect up because I haven't got the correct connectors. However, I do have a solution to that which I will show you in a moment. However, for setting the machine up, first remove the hose, then go inside the machine and forget that it's got a ball float permanently attached. Right, take the filter and put it to one side, remove the bag, which you don't need. Then you replace the motor unit onto the machine, making sure it's firmly locked in place. Like so. You then take your solution tank, which usually you'd fill with warm water and solution. However, this has nothing in it, just for demonstration. Place it on top of the machine. Then you take your siphon tube, which fits rather easily in the top there and clips in place. You then take this orange connector and plug it in, making sure it is plugged all the way in. It may or may not click, but so long as you know that's in, it's fine. In this piece, to attach this, you've got to first put the hose on. Which you do like that. Then you attach this piece by pushing and twisting it. Like so. Right, now we come on to my solution for fixing this, which is, I used to have a VAX 6151 SX thing, and current VAXs use this. That would go on the solution feed tube and that would go on the tool. Now what I did was I removed that from the feed on the tool and that from the main feed, and they sort of fit together like that, and then you push two things and it comes apart. But what I did was, because this machine had no connectors on it, the hose diameter is exactly the same, so you can in fact use VAX solution feed adapters, which just fit on like that, and then there you go, that's your tubes connected up like so. And that does work. I was a bit worried that it might leak, but it does actually seal perfectly well. And you just do the same with your small nozzle. And there you go. That is the Hoover Aquajet.